Now, these are the 19 people facing criminal charges in the Fulton County indictment. The filing accuses them of working together to violate multiple state laws. The question now, what punishment could they face if convicted of those crimes? 11 Alive's Grace King joining us live from the Fulton County Courthouse with those possibilities. Grace.
Well, this indictment charges former President Trump and his alleged co-conspirators with 41 counts of violating Georgia law, but individually they face about 3 to 13 counts each, creating a wide range of possibilities.
False statements, that's subject to a penalty of 1 to 5 years in prison and/or $1,000 fine. Impersonating a public officer, same, 1 to 5 years in prison, $1,000 fine.
Emory Law School Associate Dean Kate Levine says these indictment charges can add up quickly.
That first RICO charge carries a maximum of 20 years. All of the defendants in the indictment have been charged with that state RICO charge.
The maximum sentences for RICO: false statements, impersonating a public officer, forgery, computer trespass, and computer invasion of privacy add up to 75 years.
It's extremely unlikely that any of the defendants are actually meaningfully facing 75 years or more for the multiple charges included in the indictment. But just to give viewers some sense of the gravity of what we're talking about, these charges created in an impulse to rein in white-collar crime and public corruption crime do carry very significant penalties in Georgia and elsewhere.
More realistically, Levine says she expects some of the defendants to cooperate with Fulton County prosecutors.
Anybody who pleads guilty up front and agrees to turn state's evidence is likely going to get some sort of deal in terms of reduced charges and reduced punishment.
Plus, many of these charges allow judges to impose fines in lieu of imprisonment.
The degree of punishment typically tracks the degree of a person's involvement in the crime that's been alleged.
And even if two people are charged with the exact same list of crimes, there's no requirement for them to be sentenced the same. That's why legal experts say at this point it's too early to give a definitive answer. Live in downtown Atlanta, Grace King, 11 Alive News.